Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, April 14th, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I've been in hiding the last couple trading days. That was last Thursday and Friday. And I realized that today, if I didn't do this video, it's going to become just too easy not to do videos when we had bad markets. It has been really bad. Really tough on me. I tell you, I have kissed away a lot of money in the last few days. Anyway, I did feel though that it's, if you get thrown by the horses, you got to get back on. And so I will do these videos, and I will try and keep them up on a daily basis. I apologize to those of you that missed my videos on Thursday and Friday. We did not have a great day today, but I guess it wasn't terrible. So I'll do the video on a day that isn't too bad. We only had one position coming in IMMR, and it went to a loss, and we lost $1,560 on that closed out trades, and we're carrying 10 positions going into tomorrow. 7 of them are losers, but we actually are only down $1,800 on our open trade equity that we're carrying because we had one really good trade, and I'll show you that in a second. Dow did really well today. Started out positive and looked like it was going to maybe go negative, and then it came back and closed near its high, and so I think that's really encouraging. I am encouraged by that. Anyway, got to be optimistic. There's nothing else to be when it's like this. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and our problems last week were not just simply this big slide that we saw here on these 2 days, that's Thursday and Friday. The problem started with this rally on Wednesday that got us into God knows everything, and then when it did this, we were just stopped out of everything. I hate using the phrase "that's as bad as it's going to get" because I kept using that, and then it gets worse. So maybe I jinxed myself. I won't use it. Anyway, it was very, very tough. Today, you can see what happened here. The Dow did start rallying right at the beginning. It got way up here, and then this scared me because it comes down here and it's almost going back to neutral again. But something happened, and I don't know if there's some news coming out of here, but it takes off and rallies the last 45 minutes and ends up, I don't know, it might have even taken out its high there, but it closed very close to its high. That's very encouraging. We haven't seen that kind of action at the end of the day in the Dow for a good long time, and so I am encouraged by that. That helped me decide, hey, I would just grit my teeth here, bite the bullet, and do a video. Okay, I'll show you a couple charts here that we have. First of all, I'll show you one of the, this was our biggest problem trade today, but we had this kind of problem in several markets today, and that's why we're not positive in our open trade equity. This is an NXST, which is Nexstar Broadcasting, and we end up buying this thing almost at the top, and then it sells off. So we're holding like a $2,000 loss in Nexstar Broadcasting. Not real good, but we had one trade today, and this one really encourages me because this is the kind of stuff that makes our system go. And if we get a few of these trades, we can overcome even bad, lousy, disappointing markets. This is in Unipixel, and this is fitting because we had a bad trade in Unipixel just recently, but we came in here today. Unipixel actually starts out, it comes down here and it actually goes negative right at the beginning of the day, and then it pops up here, and we were able to get into this really early, like just after the first hour of the day, and this thing just got exploding. and we are close. We are close to $6,000 in open trade equity in Unipixel, and hey, it just feels good to see a trade like that. Of course, we're not out of it, but it really feels good. Anyway, I gotta stay optimistic, folks. You know, this has got to get better. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.